What's up, folks? So today in Davinci Resolve, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy editing trick. Makes your videos just overall look more professional. Okay, so if you look at this has got the timeline on it. Here's the video, Dark Souls 2. This is an old edit from, I don't know, about a year ago. But here, if you look at this side thing right here, you see this little header thing. I don't know exactly what you'd call it, but if you pull this in, this will create a fade in effect for your video. Make sure you pull the video to the start. Then if you watch here, see that fading in. Alternatively, at the end, you want a fade out, you do the same thing, but pulling it in. And then video, whoop, goes away. That's really all there is for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.